Hello everyone. Here I am going to explain you about statistics and what is data and what is primary data and secondary data. First, let me tell you about statistics. So, statistics is the collection of information or collection of data. So here, what is data then? Data is nothing but this one. Data is nothing but information classified as primary data and secondary data. So now let me tell you about what is primary data. Primary data is nothing but information collected for the first time. So there are some methods of collecting this primary data. One is direct personal interview. Second one is indirect personal interview. Third one is information through local agencies. Fourth one is mailed questionnaires. So, statistics, as I told you, it is the collection of information or collection of data. So, when we use statistics in every daily day-to-day life, we all are statisticians. Like which toothpaste we want. We just don't take any normal toothpaste or any toothpaste. We want the best one. So how to know that best one? Because we have some data, we have some friends who tell ki this one is good, this one is bad. In that way means you are collecting data. Then primary data means for the first time if you are collecting data from the owner of the person who is making the toothpaste means primary data. If you are collecting information from your friend, like I have used this one, you also use, means that may be called as secondary data. In that way, methods of primary data are direct personal interview. Direct personal interview means the person is directly going, the enumerator. Enumerator is a person who goes and collects the information. So he goes and directly to the person who is having the data, correct, exact, accurate data, and gives the information. So the merit is you will get the correct data. The demerit is the person who goes there must be very intelligent enough to get the information. So he must be well qualified, he must spend his time, money for going there, like that. So in direct personal interview, the data may be accurate, but it is costly. In indirect personal interview, in this method is used when the informants are reluctant to provide information directly. This method is useful to collect even secret information. Generally, it is adopted by the police or CBI people, because in CBI usually they may not get to the conclusion directly by the people, so they will allot some people so that they tell the information. So they are not getting the information directly from the person, they are allotting people and getting information. So or else they are knowing from the nearby, like if there is a crime occurred at one place, they may not only collect the information from the person directly, they may go to the neighbors and ask what may be happening, what was happening, like that. So then the third one, information through local agencies. In this method, local agents or correspondents are appointed in different parts of the area. This agent sent the required at regular interval of time. This method is often adopted by the newspapers. Then the last one is mailed questionnaires. In mailed questionnaire method, they will make a question paper, like they will have some questions, they will pass that questions and send the email to the customer. That means they are mailing some questions to the customer and getting the answer. So in this method, the person who is getting the mail may be interested, may not be interested, or may be literate or may not be literate. So this kind of things may come. So to avoid that, what they do, they have a questionnaire method, and another method they use is schedule method. SCHEDULE, schedule method. So here, for that, what they do, they will directly send someone to taking the questionnaire form and ask the respondents, the one who is responding, the one who is answering, to answer the question so that they get the required information. So in mailed questionnaire, they will mail the questions and get the answer from the respondents. But in schedule, they will directly go to the person who is responding and get the answers. Thank you. Just like or share with your friends if you like this video.